Hello, my dear friend. I am David Cortese, and now I want to show you my website for talking about an important topic. So, my website is www.david-cortese.com. So, today I want to talk about in the section software engineering, in the subsection C programming. So we will study together our first program in C programming language, that is the Hello World. It's important to understand the basics of the C language, because this is for a software developer, for a software engineer, a fundamental language. It's the father of the modern programming languages. So let's write a simple C program that prints hello world and explain it term by term. So this is the code. Hashtag include std.h int main parentheses, then there is this symbol that is a curly brace, printf hello world \n semicolon return 0 semicolon, and then there is the closing curly brace. So let's discuss step by step. So we have a detailed explanation. I've written for you this document. You can print this document. You can study this document. It's all explained. So hashtag include stdio.h. This is a preprocessor directive. The hash include tells the preprocessor to include the contents of the standard input-output header file stdio.h in the program before compilation. stdio.h contains declarations for input and output functions such as printf. Int main. This line defines the main function, which is the entry point of any C program. Int indicates that the main function returns an integer value to the operating system. Main is the name of the function, and the parenthesis indicates that this function takes no arguments. The opening curly brace signifies the beginning of the body of the main function. Everything inside the curly braces is the code that will be executed when the program runs. Printf hello world \n. Printf is a standard library function defined in the standard IO.h used to send formatted output to the screen. Hello world \n is a string literal. It is the text that will be printed to the screen. The \n within the string is an escape sequence that represents a new line character which moves the cursor to the next line after printing the text. The semicolon at the end of the line is a statement terminator in C, indicating the end of this command. Return 0. This statement terminates the main function and returns the value 0 to the operating system. Returning 0 typically signifies that the program ended successfully. Disclosing a curly brace signifies the end of the body of the main function. So let's read this complete program walkthrough. Preprocessor directive. The line #include stdio.h tells the preprocessor to include the standard input-output library before the actual compilation starts. This library contains necessary declaration for the printf function. Main function. The int main is the starting point of the program. The execution of any C program starts from the main function. Here, it is defined to return an integer int, which usually represents the exit status of the program. Function body. The opening brace marks the start of the function body. The line printf hello world \n calls the printf function to print the string hello world, followed by a new line to the standard output, usually the screen. Return 0 ends the main function and return 0 to the calling process, indicating that the program has finished executing successfully. End of function. The closing brace marks the end of the main function. Conclusion. This simple program, when compiled and run, outputs the phrase hello world to the screen and demonstrates the basic structure and syntax of a C program. So let's do some practice now. Okay, let's start code blocks. So create a new project. So I can use the magnifier for a bit of zoom. Okay, so create a new project, console application, next, C. So we call it hello world. Okay, so as you can see, inside the folder hello world we find the file main.c. Here you find basically the code that is already written by code blocks. Include stdio.h, include #include std library.h, int main, opening brace, printf hello world, semicolon, return 0, semicolon, closing brace. So let's try. We must click here. So hello world, and this is a program written in C language. So I want to remember you to visit my website. On my website you will find a lot of interesting information about software engineering, web development, mathematics, physics, chemistry, and a lot of fun games like chess and other games and apps developed in JavaScript. So thank you for watching, stay safe, see you next time, bye bye.